know I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to do it. I want to go out there. Yeah. Laying in bed looking out my door. This stuff is killing me. It takes me a while. Oh, I got flowers. Pretty. Ooh, my yard guy, Jeff, he brought a bunch of stuff to make an RV gate back here that rolls back and forth. Not much has changed since the last time I was in here. I think doing that basket thing, wall hanging. Sorry, climbing stairs is still not real easy. Okay, set this down. It's a lot of work. And all I did was walk out here, so I know loading this thing up, closing it down, hooking it up to the truck is going to be impossible for at least another month. But anyway, until then, I can do little things. So like I said before, I've got this box, and I had a, what's it called? BoondockersWelcome.com guy here, and his name's Daniel. He's the one that helped me get the bug hooked up to the bed bug. Really, really nice guy. I don't think he's got a YouTube channel, but he does post pictures on Instagram. I think it's Spartacus, and that's his dog's name. His dog's really sweet. Anyway, so when I was talking to him about the bed bug, I was telling him that I'd been looking online trying to find a light. I need a little buddy heater for it, and I need a little cook stove just in case I get somewhere and the fire pit's gross or whatever. And he said, well, I've got a little cook stove, he said, that he'd never used and had never used. And I said, no, I don't want to take your stuff. And he said, no. He said, if I cook, he said, I've got a barbecue and I've got my RV that I can cook in. So he ran out and he got this. It's really nice. Thank you, Daniel, if you're watching. It's in its own little case, and he was right. It has never been used, and it uses, oh, I gotta get those out. It uses these little guys called super, oh, it says super on it, and I think it's butane gas cartridge. Anyway, they hook into this little cupboard here, and it's never been used. This thing is spotless. Like right out of the store, spotless. So it hooks in there, and then a train. I can never do a video without a train, ever. I was looking at this thing and I was thinking, wow, that's really nice. Put a pot right on here and just start cooking. And then I got to looking at it. It's pretty level across here. If I put a pot on there, it's gonna, I guess, put the flame out. So I got to tinkering with it. That comes off and flips over, and you set it back down, and then it's got the little feet thing that the pot sits on. How cool is that? And it'll sit in the bed bug perfect. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. Why I brought it out here, I don't know. Because it needs to go in the bed bug. Yeah, I'm still not thinking clearly. This gabapentin, I know it does. I guess it's supposed to stop the brain from receiving the message that you're in pain. Well, my pain never goes away, so obviously it's not working real good. I think I'm on the highest dose that they can actually put you on. And it gives you brain fog, and you can't remember stuff. I forgot where I was going with that. Oh, I brought this out here instead of to the bed bug. Anyway, I'll get the keys and go put it in there. Cross your fingers, folks, because I'm planning a trip, and I want to leave mid-March. I was going to leave, this Wednesday is my doctor's appointment. and I wanted to leave on Thursday. And backing up, when I was planning to leave Thursday, I was feeling better than I am right now. And it's weird because I haven't done anything to make myself worse. I've been pretty much just staying in bed. So I'm thinking if I give it till mid-March, because I want to go to the Pacific Northwest and going through Klamath Falls and La Pine and Redmond, they are, I think when I looked on the weather, there's a really bad storm coming through there, or expected to go through there, and I'm going to try and avoid the bad weather, the snow. And I know in the Seattle area where my daughter lives, they just had a big dump, so between the weather and how I'm feeling, I'm not leaving in 3 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, there's no way I can leave in 3 days. I'll start putting stuff back in the TrailManor. Food, clothes, supplies, coffee. Gotta have my coffee. I have made a list of things I want to put in here, and I have worked on my RV parky to do my route. I don't think I'm going to go up. Usually I take the 97 through Klamath or through Yakima and go that way. But I think I'm going to, and I hate driving on 5, but maybe, I don't know. I may go 5, I may go 97 up through Klamath or through Yakima. I know there's a couple of RV places I can stay. It's where I stayed last time. So I'll do that. But yeah, I want to get this place slowly restocked, do some cleaning. It needs to be, wiped down and everything. Get the water back on, flush the tank out, all that kind of good stuff. But I figured you guys were getting kind of tired of just seeing me hobble around in the house. So I thought I'd come out here. Another train! Aren't you guys lucky? I'm still trying to figure out how to put this picture up. I think it's the glass that makes it so heavy, so I'm considering taking the glass off and just hanging it on the refrigerator door. And I may do like is it called a decoupage that you just paint over it? I may do that. I don't know, just to kind of protect the photo or the print, whatever it is. Can't do it. I can never do a video with a train. If I can get out this door, turn around. No. Bye, trailer. What was I gonna do? Oh, I was gonna turn. Where's my keys? Oh. Losing my mind. I got them. I was going to turn the power on over there. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why. Is there a reason to turn the power on? Does it help the batteries? I don't know. So yeah, all that white area on it is storage. There's nothing in there. And then the mattress and the tent fold up and just kind of lay over the top. So that's quite a bit of storage. And then it's got the big ice chest that goes with it. I'm hurting. I guess that means it's time to go back in the house. Watch out. Watch out. All right. I'll be back later. Bye, guys.